This might very well be the perfect hummus.
Grocery store hummus usually has a decent texture, but it lacks flavor. Homemade hummus usually has a good flavor, but the texture comes out watery or grainy. Today we're fixing the ultimate balanced hummus that has both flavor and texture. Let's fix it.
To prep the garlic, all we had to do was smash them with a knife, and the peeling comes right off. We want to give the garlic a head start. Definitely don't want any chunks of garlic in the final hummus. We want our garbanzo beans to be drained and rinsed. There are a lot of hummus recipes that call for the liquid or the aquafaba to be included, but we're going to use a special liquid to emulsify the hummus instead. My key to a smooth hummus is to withhold the liquids in the beginning. Spend a lot of time with just the garlic and the garbanzo beans. Our goal is to form a paste with a smooth foundation. If we add the liquids too early, the mix will be too thin to break down the beans completely. When you're scraping down the food processor, make sure you go in the opposite direction of the blades. That way you're not going to cut your spatula as you go. The tahini has a really nice sesame flavor, but it sure is messy to work with. Now we have the rest of our traditional hummus foundation ingredients. We have our cumin, salt, and lemon juice. Use fresh squeezed lemons, of course. These are off my Meyer lemon tree. That's looking pretty smooth. Maybe one more round. Now we add the key ingredient for a creamy texture, olive oil. The olive oil is thick enough to form a creamy emulsification. So what you do is you drizzle in the olive oil and watch the food processor. When you have the perfect amount of oil emulsified, the food processor will vibrate. Did you see the food processor starting to shake? That's how we know it's ready. For a basic hummus, you could serve as is, but we're not making basic here. I'm adding cayenne pepper and also roasted red peppers. Before getting started with making the hummus, I roasted these out on the grill. And of course peeled them and de-seeded them and drained out the extra juice. When the sweet, smoky flavor of the roasted peppers joins the cumin, lemon, garlic, and cayenne, you get a perfect flavor balance. Oh, look at how soft, smooth, and creamy that is. Perfect. Let's get that into a bowl. I'm hungry. A little sprinkle of paprika on top makes it look super pretty and also taste nice.
If you've been enjoying this video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future fixes. And make sure you hit that notification bell. It's time for a taste test. The first thing you notice about that hummus is it is so creamy and smooth. And then you get the layers of flavor. You get the sesame up front from the tahini, and then you just get the red peppers, kind of a sweetness, and then after that you get the afterburn from the cayenne pepper. It's a perfectly balanced hummus. If you're looking for a snack that has a really spicy punch, try my Noah's Ark salsa. Or if you're looking for something savory where I solved the slippery chili problem, check out my chorizo chili. Thanks for watching.
Put some hummus on it. Cures everything.